Since the dawn of civilization, humanity has gazed skyward, seeking answers in the endless expanse above. But what if we were never truly alone in our cosmic journey? What if advanced guardians have been watching, waiting, and occasionally intervening? Good evening, I'm Vincent Cornwell and you're watching The Darkened Crypt. Tonight we explore a pattern that stretches across human history, a pattern that suggests we may have always had shepherds. Throughout human history, our predecessors have left us warnings, messages, and perhaps documents. These paintings from caves, separated by thousands of miles and years, all portray very similar shapes peering over human development. In 1561, the citizens of Nuremberg witnessed something extraordinary. The sky filled with what they described as mechanical creatures engaged in an aerial display. But this was just one instance in a pattern that would stretch into our modern era.
What makes the Nuremberg event particularly fascinating is how detailed the accounts are. They describe shapes that resemble modern UFO sightings, spheres, cylinders, and cross-like forms.
Long Island, and my phone is really crappy, but there's the drones.
Like they just crashed.
They've been going into each other, joining each other, and then coming out again. And there's a really sus cloud right there. So you're looking at...
There was a really, really bright one before. Did you see it?
Yeah. There's 3 over there. Oops. There's 2 over there. And there's a really kooky cloud. So we're on Long Island and we're looking across the bay at Queens. And these 3, 1, 2, 3 that you see right here,
Look at the bright one.
they're just chilling. They're like hanging out with each other and they keep crossing paths. Like you see these 2 put across, there they go, crossing. It's like they're kissing and then they're moving apart. And they just keep doing that over and over again.
Let's go into the bridge, the Solid Rock Bridge. I'm telling you, you could see it because look,
You see?
right there. Like,
So this is the Cross Island Parkway in Queens. We're across the bay in Long Island, but we're very, very close to Queens. So you see those 2 shiny ones on the left and the right, and there's one little itty bitty one right there in the middle. So it's...
They describe shapes that resemble modern UFO sightings, spheres, cylinders, and cross-like forms.
Passing ships in the night. But
look at the ones right there. You see on that
see,
side?
they're
It's as if history left us a breadcrumb trail to follow.
over and over again.
The sky's blinking. Right there. I know.
So I have my daughters next to me, and they're filming.
December 15th, 2024, Barigui Park, Curitiba.
So they're gonna
What began as a typical evening would soon become something far more significant.
doing it.
What makes the Barigui incident so compelling is not just the sightings themselves, but the physical evidence left behind. The organic drone found in the trees. It challenges everything we know about the relationship between biological and mechanical systems.
The drone discovered that night defied conventional analysis. It wasn't simply a machine, it was something more. Something that blurred the line between artificial and organic.
I've never seen a drone like that. Look at this thing. This is nuts. It's got a spotlight on it, but I can't see inside it. What is going on right now? This is those drones I've been seeing in New Jersey, Bayside, New Jersey.
But to understand the true significance of what was found in Barigui Park, we must look back to another moment when humanity stood at a crossroads. Hiroshima, 1945. In the aftermath of the first atomic bombing, witnesses reported strange phenomena, not the expected horrors of nuclear war, but something else entirely, something that seemed to be helping.
The witnesses described what we would now call organic mechanical hybrid entities. They appeared to be conducting some form of decontamination. More importantly, they showed signs of intelligent purpose.
Recently declassified files reveal a pattern of similar sightings at every major nuclear incident in history. Wherever humanity has pushed the boundaries of atomic power, these entities have appeared. The evidence suggests we're dealing with three distinct types of oversight. First, the observers, typically seen as orbs or lights, monitoring human activity. Second, the protectors, often appearing as triangular craft during times of crisis. And third, the interventionists, organic mechanical hybrids that directly interact with our environment.
The craft we encountered off the coast of California in 2023 moved in ways that defy physics as we understand it. It's as if they weren't bound by the same reality we operate in.
But why? What is the purpose of this apparent oversight? The answer may lie in the very nature of these entities.
The organic mechanical nature of these entities suggests something profound. They may represent not alien technology as we typically imagine it, but rather the natural evolution of technological species.
As we stand on the brink of multiple technological revolutions, artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, quantum computing, the frequency of these sightings has increased dramatically. Are we being guided toward a specific future? Are these entities showing us a path forward? The pattern continues to this day. Each technological leap humanity makes is accompanied by increased sighting activity. Each crisis brings new reports of intervention. Ladies and gentlemen, we find ourselves at the crossroads of intrigue and the unexplained. Let us now journey to the skies above New Jersey, where reports of unidentified drones have set the region abuzz with speculation and concern. These aren't ordinary quadcopters buzzing innocuously over your neighbour's backyard. These drones are silent, pervasive, and enigmatic. 2. The Federal Aviation Administration recently issued temporary flight restrictions over 22 critical infrastructure sites across New Jersey. Why? To protect against what they've cryptically described as special security threats. Could these restrictions hint at a far greater mystery hidden in plain sight? 3. Unmanned drones? Or is there more to the story? These drones move with precision and purpose, sparking theories ranging from clandestine government operations to something far more otherworldly. Could this be a prelude to contact? Or are we witnessing surveillance not from Earth, but from the cosmos?
It's crazy. My God, look at it. That's not a plane. That is wild. That's going way too fast. That's not... What's up with my camera? I had to go run in and get my camera. Nobody was gonna believe me. What's with my camera? Look at this thing. Is he...
4.
Jesus
Violators
Christ.
of these restrictions face severe penalties, and any drone deemed a threat may even be met with deadly force. The FAA's strict measures beg the question, what kind of threat are they preparing for, and why now? 5. Whether it's advanced technology testing or an unexplained aerial phenomenon, one thing is clear. The skies above New Jersey hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. So, dear viewers, as we continue our exploration, remember to always look up. You never know what might be looking back. The question isn't whether we're being watched. The evidence suggests we always have been. The real question is, are we witnessing our guardians or our future selves? Sometimes the most profound discoveries aren't found in what we see in the skies, but in what the skies see in us. I'm Vincent Cornwell, and this has been The Darkened Crypt. Good night.